What's up guys, welcome to another Blokees build series. And for today we are going to build this one, the second to the last box that we have. And let's open the box and let's see who is inside. Let's go. Okay, so let's base it on its body and its face. As we can see, this is Jazz. So let's go ahead and let's start building this. Let's go. Okay, so we got our Jazz right now. So he is one of the Autobots that work together with Optimus Prime, and also he is the right hand of Optimus Prime for Autobot special operation. So he is a cool, stylish, and highly competent Autobot. He is famous for his love for Earth's music and its culture. So Jazz also is one of the Generation 1 Transformers, as you can see on this form. And he specializes in weaponry. In his robot mode, he wields solar powered photon rifle and has a roof mounted flamethrower, and he also does sonic attacks with 180 decibel stereo system, which is this one. And he can create a disorienting light and sound that shows baffle to Decepticons. So yeah, he is one of the most notable characters from the Transformer series, and he is very close to Optimus Prime, given that he is his right hand man. So yeah, this is Autobot Jazz, and I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I hope you also ring the notification bell. And on our last episode for this one, on our series, which is this, okay, we are going to start our next build series, which would include other Transformer characters. So yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.